Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to practice building some words together so you can call out the answers with me, okay? And then we're going to review your trick words, and then you're going to write some things on a piece of paper. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, the first word we're going to build is blends. Like she blends the fruit into the drink. Now the base word is blend. Let's tap that out. B-U-E-N-D. Well, there are a lot of letters in there. Can you call out the sounds for me? B is what? B. Good. O is what? Good. L. E is what? E. Good. N is what? N. D is what? D. Blend, right? Now, how would we change blend to blends? What do we add? Good, a suffix S. Blends. Good. Now, while I put these letters away, I want you to start tapping out the next word. Now, the word is drinks, but please tap out the base word, drink. Okay, ready to do it with me? Ink. That's a little tricky. Let's do it again. Ink. Because that's a glued sound. What's the first sound, everybody? Good. D. What's next? Good. R. Now, what is ink? Ink is a glued sound. I-N-K. Drink. Right? Very, very good. Okay, and then what do we add at the S? Suffix S. And if we want to mark this up, just to review how to mark the words, this is the glued sound. Do you see a consonant blend? Good. D-R, blend at the beginning of the word. Very good. I'm going to put these away. The next word is crafts. So please tap out the base word craft while I get ready. Okay, you ready? Let's do it together. Craft. Oh, those are 5 sounds. Let's do it. What's the first sound? K. Good. C. Is what? R. A is what? A. F is what? F. Good. T is T. Craft, right? Craft. Now, what do I put at the end of the word? Good. Suffix S. Okay. Now, by the way, the vowel is here. Is it closed in by consonants? Yes. So that's the short A sound. Okay. That's a closed syllable. Do you see a consonant blend? I see a consonant blend here, and I see another one at the end of the base word. F, T. Look at all those things that are happening in that word. Crafts. Okay. Let's try another word. I'm putting these letters away, and I want you to start tapping out the word split. Split. You can also practice these words on those you don't have the magnetic letters, but I gave you an electronic one. So you could tap on that, click on that when you're finished, and try practicing these words on there. That would be a lot of fun. Let's tap out the word craft. Ready? Craft. Ready? What's the first? Oh, I'm sorry, split. Sorry. Split. Split. Wow, that has 5 sounds. What's the first sound? S is S. Good. What's the next sound? P. P. Good. U is what? Good. L. I is what? Good. I. T is what? T. Good. Split. Can you find the vowel? Yes, it is. It is I. Is it closed in by a consonant at the end? It sure is, so that's the short I sound. Do you see a consonant blend, a really long one, at the beginning of the word? Yes, S-P-L. Look at all those consonants that blend at the beginning of the word. Split. Good. You know what? I'm going to take these away, and I'm going to leave the other 2 letters there. We're going to make the word splash. Let's tap it out. Splash. Splash. Look at that. Those three letters would stay the same, huh? S-P-L-A. What letter goes there? Good. A. And last, sh. S-H. That's a digraph. We underline that. Is the consonant closed? Is the vowel closed in by consonants? Yes, it is. That's the short A sound. This is closed. And there's that long consonant blend again. Good job. Now I'm going to get my writing board, okay? And we're going to practice our trick words. The first sentence I'm going to ask you is, how are you? I asked a question, so what should I put here? Yes, a question mark. You are right. Now, I read you the sentence. How are you? Now, what word am I circling now? How. Good. Now, this is uppercase because it's the first word in the sentence, but normally it's lowercase. You write it in the air while I write it here. H-O-W spells how. Very, very good. Now, I'm going to write another sentence. Ready? Come. Hope you remember how to spell that. Come down. How do I spell that? Good. D-O-W-N. Come down. Here. Now. Now I'm yelling a little bit. Come down here now. So I'm going to put an exclamation point. Okay? I'll move that out so you can see better. All right. Come down here now. What word did I just circle? Now. Very good. So watch. I'm going to write it here and you write it in the air. N-O-W spells now. Let's read the sentence one more time. Come down here now. What word am I circling now? Down. Let's write it in the air. D-O-W-N. Down. Now, if you don't remember how to spell these, keep writing them in the air. It makes you remember the words. It's very good for you. Let's read the new trick words. They're in your spelling words anyway this week. Down, how, now. Again, down, how, now. They all have something that's the same in all these words. Does anybody see it? Yes, they all have O-W. And in these words, they all make the ow sound, okay? So, now I want to see, we've practiced a lot of things. You should have a piece of paper numbered from 1 to 4, okay? The first word you're going to write is skunk. Skunk. You have to tap it out, okay? Skunk. If you can, please box the glued sound and underline the 2 letters that make the consonant blend. For number 2, the word is brings, like she brings her money to the store. Okay, write the word brings. There's a lot of stuff going on in that word. Please box the glued sound first. Underline the consonant blend at the beginning of the word. And circle the suffix S. For number 3, you're going to write the word stings, like the the bee stings me, okay? First you write the base word sting, and then you add the suffix, of course. When you write the word stings, box the glued sound, underline the consonant blend at the beginning of the word, and circle the suffix at the end of the word. For number 4, please write this whole sentence, okay? Take your time. Peg swept the rug with the brush. Peg swept the rug with the brush. Now be careful, swept and brush are pretty long words. They have 5 sounds in each word, so tap it out slowly and take your time. and have a great day.